place where everybody knows us. The Trophy Barbershop, most people that come in here to work feel like this is a very high-paced shop.
Well, I saw them when they brought the bear in.
What you're looking at is the hunting life of one man, Jimmy Carpenter. He would go on hunts in cool places that he thought would have unique animals to bring home. What makes this shop so cool is you're always going to see something different when you come in here. Everything in here is 1962 or older. These are 1958 full barrel Coke and barber chairs. The antlers, that was a big promotion. Of course, when Jimmy opened the barbershop in '62, he would give each kid that got a haircut a pair of antlers. And they were excited and they loved the pair of antlers. Well, their first reaction is they have to have a picture with it. They took this whole thing out. It's like taking your picture in front of the Statue of Liberty. We offer 1962. When you come in here, you're going to be a person, not a number, and everybody's going to jump up and be glad to help you. Everybody's going to get the best haircut they could possibly get. You're going to know you've been to the Trophy Barbershop.